This is the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can turn on the Dolby Atmos feature on this device. So in order to be able to do that, you gotta launch settings, then enter the sounds and vibration category and go for the sound quality and effects section. And as you can see, everything over here is grayed out, thus unavailable, which basically identifies, or should I say, indicates that the default speaker of this device is not good enough to support the Dolby Atmos feature. So in order for you to use the Dolby Atmos sound enhancing tool, you need to either connect the wired headphones or connect your smartphone to the Bluetooth speaker. So I have one in front of me, so let me enable Bluetooth, establish the connection between them, and as you can see, once I do that, the Dolby Atmos toggles become available. So now you can turn those features on. You can also set them up, choose what preset you would like to use, and that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.